Hey freshman, for your weekly writing assignment this week, you are going to have to use in-text citations, and I'd like you to include a works cited page down at the bottom with one entry. So just to remind you how to do that in your Google Docs, you're going to go ahead and click Add-on and click this EasyBib bibliography creator. If you don't have it all already, I'll link another tutorial on how to get it. You just go down to Get Add-ons and find it. You click this Manage Bibliography, and then it pops up. We're going to be working with A Sound of Thunder this week, so you're going to go ahead and click on Book, and then type A Sound of Thunder, and then search. A whole bunch of things are going to show up, and we remember that Sound of Thunder is by Ray Bradbury. It was in a collection of short stories, so this is the entry that we want. This is where I pulled that short story from. So you're going to go ahead and click Select, and then you're going to go ahead and start typing your essay. You know that what you put in your in-text citation is the author's last name. So you're just going to put the last name, and then you're going to put page numbers, but you can use the page numbers in our document, even though the page numbers would be different if we were actually quoting from this collection of short stories. The story was later on in the collection, so it'd be like 50, 60-ish. But just use the page numbers on your document in Scribble. And then, you know, like if I was going to quote, let's say this is my quote. I'm going to do a comma and then close the quote. I'm going to open parentheses. I'm going to type Bradbury. Let's say I'm quoting from page 5 or something. Close parentheses, and I'm going to put a period. When I'm all done writing, and you know I've written my assignment, I've done a bunch of quoting, I've done in-text citations because you have to have those. You just come over here and you click Add Bibliography to Doc. It's going to go ahead and put it in your document, and all you have to do is come over and put your cursor right here, and then go down to Page Break and put it down at the bottom. Highlight Works Cited and make it bold, and it's formatted this perfectly according to MLA format. So now you have in-text citations and a works cited page on your document, and all we had to do was search for the text.